Hi guys, welcome to another video today. On today's episode I'll be showing you how I did my first two bleaching and I got to gold harsh blonde. And I'm sorry, please, the first 1 to 2 minutes of this video will have to be on picture mode start because I actually lost the video clip from the beginning of my first bleach and I couldn't find it in my gallery, so I just have to improvise by using the picture modes to improvise. Yes, so today's video will have to be on how I did my bleaching, my wash routine, the side effect I got from the first two bleach and all that. So I went on, I did my wash routine and I came up back to my curly hairs and all that. One thing about my hair, I don't know if it's same with every other person who has the curly or afro hair. My hair can hold on the coils for a long time. All you just need to do is apply a little water to moisturize the hair and it can go on with it for a long time at least. That's what I was talking about. In 2 weeks, no cream except water. That's what I get on my hair. So back into the bleaching. So for my first bleaching, this is the cream I use. This intensive color cream in 10 to 2 hash blonde. It came with a developer and a cream gray, this 12% developer and all that. So I did this two mixture together, but this didn't come, the color didn't come anywhere near to ash blonde like it said, but I guess that's because it's the first bleaching. But the second thing I observed was I had a bad side effect from this. I had a very bad one. So when I did the bleaching with the cream, this is what I came up with. This dark brown ginger, I don't know, kind of looking hair. After 2 weeks I left my hair on. At some point I used water. I was always applying water on my hair so I can get my scalp to be softened again and my hair back to life, and applied some cream and leave-in conditioner. So I went on with this hair for about 2 weeks, exactly 2 weeks. I did this on February 1st. It went on to, I had it on to February 14th, and on February 14th I did a new bleach, and guys, the outcome was splendid. So I'll be showing you how and what I used in getting to this result so far, because I actually need this harsh silver kind of blonde looking hair. So I'll be making this video again after a few weeks. Now let's get right into the video. Right from the first cream, I used the intensive cream color. I used the one I got from the grocery, the first palette I showed to you. This one my hair looks like after 2 weeks of using the bleach. I had this brown ginger black looking hair. It didn't come anywhere close to harsh blonde like it said. Maybe probably that's because this was my first bleach and my scalp was actually damaged. But this in 2 weeks the hair came back to life and it was okay. Back to the product. So every product here I will tell you where I got it from. For the blonder, I got this from Noon, Noon. Is a site called Noon. There's a blonder multi blonde powder in blue color. I got this from Noon. Then for the developer, there's a 20% volume developer. I got this from Amazon. There's Color Charm. I got this from Amazon, and you can see the developer and the blender is by same brand, Wella. And the Fanola, this was supposed to be a toner, but I will not be using this because actually I bought this. It was supposed to be in a silver toner, but I discovered on the day I was filming this that this came on a toner called Argento, so I will not be using them. And this my lemon and ginger shampoo and conditioner mixture. This by Beauty Clinic. I got this also from a grocery. That's my bowl, and I use the toothbrush. Before I did the mixture of the bleach, I went on to grease my hair with some olive oil and Vaseline. I think this was the first mistake I did in my first bleach. When I used the intensive cream bleach, I didn't grease my hair with anything. I just went on and I did that on my hair, damaged my scalp. So I went on to grease my hair this time for like 10 minutes, and I made sure I applied this cream around my face, my neck side, my ear side. And always remember to use a glove and put on the clothes you might not be using, or something you wear whenever you just want to make dyes and bleaching and all that. For the mixing, I'm good at measurement because I do bleach my wigs and weave on. So there's 5 tablespoon measurement. You can get a measuring scale and all that. So you add the developer, and this is what you come up with. For the developer, I use almost everything because that developer came on 107 mil, so it's very small. And this is what I came up with. This So I went on ahead to use the brush to apply the cream, and I did part my hair into 3 sides. But while I was using this brush, I think I noticed it wasn't fast as my hands could go, and I had to drop the brush. Yes, guys, I did drop the brush and I used my hands. So I applied to my front first sides of the hair, and before I went on and applied on the other parts, the back side of my hair. With the hand, it was much faster for me. And right now, I think I applied this slowly. Please do not scratch the scalp of your hair. Do not scratch the under of your hair while you apply this cream using your hands. Just try to rub through it gently and all that. And always remember to use a cloth that you are not going to wear, or something you wear whenever you want to bleach your hair. And you can notice, even before I could finish applying this bleach, my hair was already coming just blondish looking hair. And I would say I love this blonder so well. Actually admired this blonder. It did do its job. So this is what my hair looks like few minutes while applying the cream. And at this point the cream is finished already, and I went on, I used the foil paper to cover my hair. If you can't find the foil paper around your vicinity, you can, around your environment, you can as well use a nylon bag or shower cap to cover your hair. Just like 20 minutes after applying the foil paper. So I went on to change into a towel because I need to take a shower after I did the washing. So I provided a hair repair shampoo with argan oil in it, and the mixture of my shampoo and conditioner together. Also, this is what my hair looks like after 30 minutes. Yeah, you can see it's already blonde, and I'm in love with this. So right now I'm going to wash this off, and I'll come back with a video of how it looks like afterwards. After a shower again. This is what my hair looks like, guys. I can say with this bleach, my hair didn't break off like the way it did with the first cream I used, and it's soft. I can comb it, but I still have this orange looking parts and all that. So I'll have to redo this bleach again after a few weeks. So I went on and applied a leave-in conditioner. Yeah, guys, with this leave-in conditioner by Cantu, it makes the hair soft and all that. So, and I went on to blow dry this on my hair to get a soft looking hair when it's dried up. And this is what I came up with. So I did this very bleaching on February 14th, and I'll be doing this bleach again after, let's say, 2 to 3 weeks, and I hope to carry you guys along. Hopefully you find this video helpful. Don't forget to leave a comment and a thumbs up. Please share and subscribe. Thank you.